It is 11:52 on our Friday. Happy Friday to you. And of course, happy Zoo Day. Today we're going to take you out live to the safari park and introduce you to an arborist feeding the wildlife in the savanna habitat.
Yeah, we got Marco right there standing by to tell us all about what's happening there. And we don't really have a friend, not necessarily an animal. Well,
we have many,
but we have many,
yeah.
yes. Yes. What's going on there today? How's it going?
Oh, it's going great, and you're right. I have so many friends out here today. It is a beautiful day here at the safari park. And to your point, it's all about the trees today. In particular, our arborists. Did you know we have a huge horticulture team? One of the team's job is to climb up to these big, beautiful trees around this 1,800-acre conservation park. How cool is that, you guys? Look at them do their work.
Wait, and Marco, what are they doing up there? Are they collecting food that's going to be harvested and given to the animals?
Yeah, exactly right. Now, there's a lot of reasons why they need to come up. It could be maintaining the health of the trees, which they do quite frequently. Right now, what they're doing is collecting what's called browse. So browse is clippings of trees, and it could be nesting material for maybe a pelican. It could be food for a giraffe. And we also have conservation work that our arborists do. So they do so much. So this is why we wanted to give them that highlight today.
Not gonna lie, earlier this morning we were looking at it, and browse is spelled literally like the word browse, like browse the web kind of thing. And Vanessa and I had no idea what it was. We were like, what is browse?
Is there anything specific that specific tree kind of gives as far as like what you guys can harvest for the animals?
Yeah, you know, so every tree represents different kind of nutritional value, right? This is a pepper tree. We have ficus trees. And if you look, right now we're panning, you're seeing this giraffe, Maasai giraffe into distance. We have different antelope species out here. Every animal has a different nutritional requirement, right? And so remember this, though, there's 1.3 million plants that live at the safari park. So it's quite the plethora of food that we can offer our animals here.
Well, and I feel like it also makes sense because it's a 2-for-1, right? Like it of course beautifies the safari park, but also then you guys don't have to source all of the food. You can use the land to do so, right?
No, exactly right. You know, we're an 1,800-acre conservation park, so we have growing farms of browse or plant material that we grow for, maybe as an example, the giant panda down at the San Diego Zoo, or it could be the koalas as well. There's many different animals that use browse for different ways. Now, again, to your point, some of it is part of their diet, but for animals, you know, I'm a bird guy, the horticulture team would collect a lot of browse material for us for nesting material for a lot of different birds. So it is just amazing what these teams do. And don't forget, we're also a botanical garden here at the Safari Park and the San Diego Zoo, accredited arboretum, level 4 stage, which means it's the vibrancy of the ecosystems that our horticulture team does to create the beauty that you find here at the Safari Park.
Wow, so much knowledge. I'm curious, is that tree native to San Diego or Southern California, or was that strategically kind of planted in place there for the animals that benefit from it?
No, that's a really good question. Now, at the safari park, like the pepper tree and other species, some are local, some maybe can thrive, like the pepper tree can thrive really well in our kind of climate, you know, more of a warmer climate. Some of them are also fire resistant as well. And also, to your point, I want to remind people that even walking around the park and the zoo and you look up and see the trees, many of them are part of conservation projects. The park, for instance, 900-acre bioreserve that we have here, and we have existing Torrey pines, which is an endangered species of pine tree that's only found in San Diego County and adjacent islands. And this is also a reminder of all that conservation work that not only our animal staff are doing, but also the plant teams as well.
Well, that is so incredible, Marco. Unfortunately, we're running out of time. I wanted to introduce all of the new animals that were born.
There's just a bunch of new animals, just a few seconds, Marco, but we have a bunch of new animals there at the park.
Totally, yeah. Oh, man, go to the San Diego Zoo for the giant anteater. Right now, we have 2 baby Maasai giraffe behind me right now. So this holiday season, come to the safari park. Have a wild time, everybody.